Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to sign up for PayPal using the PayPal mobile application. Signing up for a PayPal account is super easy. First of all, download the PayPal application on your mobile device, whether you have an Android or iOS, and then open the app. You will then end up in this login screen where you'll need to tap on Sign Up for creating a new account. Now, select your country from the top right corner of the screen and type in your email address in the text box. Make sure to enter a valid email address you have an access to. After typing down an email, click on the Next button. Enter a mobile phone number you have an access to on the next field. After you type it down, click on Next. Confirm your phone by typing down an SMS code that has been sent to you in the text box. On the next page, create a password you'd like to set up for your PayPal account. Make sure to enter a strong password that is at least 8 to 20 characters long, that includes letters, numbers, or symbols. Finally, click on Next. Now, enter your personal information such as your name and your date of birth. On the next page, enter your address information. Type in the name of your address. Make sure to use your residential address and not a post office box number. After filling in all of the details, check on this I agree box at the bottom and click on Agree and Create Account. On the next page, it'll ask you to link a credit or debit card. This is for verification and payments. You can skip this step by tapping on Skip at the top right and add it later. Now, if you want to turn on notification for your app, make sure you tap on the toggle button right next to Get Account Updates or Get Deals and Promotions according to your preference and tap on Save Preferences. You will then be able to create a new PayPal account. You can now start sending or receiving payments securely once you have a payment method added onto your account. So that's how you easily sign up for PayPal. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.